Hello students, welcome to your 8th maths class. I am Jyoti Sachdeva from SCJ DAV School, Haripura. Today we are doing our chapter 7, worksheet number 5. We are on the 14th question. Here is, we have to make the identity. Then firstly we will make 25 m square minus, here we will assume that let 4n plus 3l is equals to capital X. It means it become 25 m square minus x square. Now we have to make this a complete square. It means 5m as a square minus capital X square. Now it is the identity of a square minus b square, a minus b and a plus b. Now write here 5m minus x and 5m plus x. Now fill the value of x. 5m minus 4n plus 3l. Keep in the braces. Now 5m plus 4n plus 3l. Now open the braces. 5m, there is a negative sign in the outside of bracket, so internal signs are changed. 4n has a positive sign, it become negative. 3l has again positive, it become the negative. Now again in the second braces, 5m plus 4n plus 3l. Now this one is a factorization of the 14th sum. Now let's start the 15th. Questions are lengthy, but they are too much easy questions. 2a plus 3b square minus 4c square. Now again this is a x square minus y square. For this firstly we will take 2a plus 3b, assume that this is equals to x. Let means we are assuming this. Now x square minus 4 is a square of 2, it means 2c square. Now a square, we are taking p square minus q square because a, b, c, x all are there. A is p square minus q square, that is p minus q and p plus q. It means x square minus 2c, x minus 2c and x plus 2c. Now fill the value of x, that is 2a plus 3b minus 2c. In the second braces 2a plus 3b plus 2c. This is the our 15th part. Now let's see the 16th sum. Now start the 16th sum. This is a statement of 16 question. Firstly we have to solve this part, and this is a b square. It means we have to make it a complete square. Now firstly we will start with this 64 m square minus 144 mn plus 81 n square. Now 64 is a square of 8, it means it is 8 m square. 81 is square of 9, it means 9 n square. Minus 2a, a means 8 m, b means 9n. Now check, 9 8s are 72, 72s are 144 mn. It means it is a complete square of a minus b square. A square plus b square minus 2ab, that is a minus b whole square. Value of a is 8m, b is 9n, that is whole square. Now we will write it on the place of this one. It means it become 8m minus 9n whole square minus 25p square. Now assume that this is x, means x square, 8m minus 9n, a minus, this is a complete square of 5p, here we write 5p square, a minus b and a plus b. No need to assume. If you want to assume that this one is x, then x minus 5b, x plus 5b, then again you fill the value of x. Now this one is your 16th question. Now see the 17th sum. 17th sum is x square, y square, z square, means 3 squares are there. It means a square, b square, c square, a plus b plus c square whole identity you have to form. Then firstly make these 3 complete square. 16 is the square of 4, it means 4x square. 9 is the square of 3, then 3y square, and 4 is the square of 2, it means it's 2z square. A square plus b square plus c square. Now it next is 2ab, it means 2 into a means 4x into b means 3y. 3 4 is 12, 12 2 is 24xy. This one is complete. Now 2bc, b means 3y, c means 2z. 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, means 12yz. It is complete. Now 2c means 2z, a means 4x, 4 2 is 8, 2 is 16, zx. It is also complete. It means it is the identity of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equals to a plus b plus c square. It means it is 4x plus 3y plus 2z square. Now write it 2 times. 4x plus 3y plus 2z, again 4x plus 3y plus 2z. This is our 17th sum. Now 18th sum is, this is x square, 4y square, it means we can write here 2y square. 9z square means 3z square. Now you have to make 2ab, 2 into x into y, 2 2s are 4 xy. Now here is a negative sign. Now with which variable there is a negative sign, with x, with y or z? For this checking, take, here are 2 numbers in which there is negative sign, and the common is x. It means x has a negative sign. You can write here minus x square, means x minus x का square भी करेंगे क्या आएगा? Positive x. It means here is a minus x and here is a positive sign. Now plus 2b means 2y, means c means 3z. Now plus 2c means 3z and minus x. Now check, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, yz, 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 6 zx. Now it is the identity of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, that is equals to a plus b plus c whole square. Now value of a is, that is minus x, value of b is 2y, and z is c is 3z. It has whole square. Now write it 2 times, minus x plus 2y plus 3z into minus x plus 2y plus 3z. This is our 18th question. Now see the 19th sum. This is 4a square. It means we can write here 2a square and b square. 25, that is 5c square. Now you have to make 2ab, but here is a negative sign, here is a negative sign. 2 terms there are negative sign. Which one is common? b. It means here b is of negative. It means minus 2b square. Now 2a and b. 2 2s are 4, ab minus 4ab plus 2b and c. 5 2s are 10 minus bc and plus 2ca. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20 ca. Now it is the identity of again a square b square. So I am writing directly 2a minus b plus 5c has a whole square. Now write it 2 times. 2a minus b plus 5c. Again 2a minus b plus 5c. If you miss the identity, then your marks will be deducted. You have to write the identity in all the parts. I am not writing in this part only, but you have to write in all the parts. Now let's see the last part of this worksheet. Last part is, here are some fractional number, but it is not typical. This is a square, b square by 4, it means b by 2 has a whole square, plus c square by 9 means c upon 3 has a whole square. Now a square, b square, c square, it means you are making 2ab, 2 into a into b, that means now 2 is cut with the 2, it means ab, this one is here. Now write 2b c. Now 2 cut with the 2, it means bc upon 3, this one. Then last 2ca, 2 by 3 ca, this one is here. It means identity is complete. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equals to x plus y plus z has a whole square. Now value of x is a, y is b by 2 and z is c by 3 as a whole square. Now write it 2 times. A plus b by 2 plus c by 3, and the next a plus b by 2 plus c by 2. This is our last part of this worksheet. Now your whole worksheet is completed. Thank you.